Hello, Mark Sturdy here again with another brief insight into some analysis this week. And I thought I would look, if we look at the summary, you'll see that we are excited about stocks, and that's old news, really. We've been excited about the S&P and the Nikkei, and this week again, the Euro Stoxx 50, we think, joined their bullishness, and they're all three trending. Well, FTSE not so much, but I'd rather, instead of looking at those, I thought I'd look at the sterling euro. Because this is not immediately exciting, but is on the cusp, on the brink of being exciting. I think, first of all, recognize that since 2016, the market has gone nowhere. We remain in a trading range between 120 and 106. But that inside that, we think there's scope for interest here because this is the weekly closes. At the end of the week, the market closed at 117.012, exactly where the highs of in the middle of 2023. And were it to close above that, I think, this week, then we'd be onto something quite exciting. You will note that this is not a continuation head and shoulders exactly. It's akin to it, but it doesn't really fall into that fairly precisely defined category. Nonetheless, for that, a close, were we to get it this week or next above 117.12 would be exciting. Let's look at the detail. Well, first of all, note that, quite interestingly, we have a parallel channel here, which could be deemed a bull flag, which, if it is, has already broken and completed its, with this movement through the upper diagonal, it has completed its job of accelerating the bull market, continuating, so the bull trend, channel or flag creation, and completion on the break through that diagonal. Some would be a bit cautious about it because this should normally be the highest point it is the highest point, which perhaps the first one over here. So it's not drawn in totally classical form, but for some it will be a flag. I'm sympathetic to that view. More cautious bulls will want to wait for a break up through these highs here, 117.58 being the highest one, and a move through 117.58 would, for them, would be the catalyst, the trading catalyst to buy into sterling and selling the euro. Were that to happen, just to go back to the, I would think we'd be moving up to 121 fairly swiftly to there and testing the top of the trading range. So not quite there yet, but something worth keeping your eye on if you're at all interested in sterling euro and related currency situations. Thanks very much.